Get so excited because today we're going to be rescuing a room on day 9 of FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Please excuse my voice today as it seems to want to run off with the wind. Today we are going to set a 5-minute timer and get to the worst room of our homes. In this manner, we will ensure that our home is company ready in no time. In the beginning, when I first started doing this, I couldn't even get through one shelf. Don't despair if you don't get to the whole entire room. Just know we will be adding this to our daily habits. And once we do, you will see that in no time, your home will be company ready and a wonderful oasis for you and your family. So set your 5-minute timers, pick your room. Let's get ready to tackle the chaos. My fun twist for this challenge is you're going to once again put some upbeat music, your dancing house shoes, and let's get to work. For this room rescue, I would recommend you grab a bag, a box, if you have one, as well as a hamper or some sort of basket that you might have. Reason being, if you run into something you want to donate, you can put it in a box. If you run into trash, you can put it in the trash bag. And if you have something that does not belong in that room or that you have no place for it, maybe it does belong, but the room is super duper cluttered, put it in that basket. So you might want to have 2 baskets, maybe one for one room and one for the other if you don't have baskets. Use shoe boxes, hampers, anything that you can get your hands on. This will make things go faster as our process so that the timer is going. We don't need to keep leaving the room or putting off things to the side. As always, once we finish, we're going to clean up after ourselves so that we are not left with a worse mess than what we started. You start your 5-minute timer. I have fun music. We're ready to go. First, I put my voice brakes to the side and then I began to sweep. Moving pretty quickly here as I only have 5 minutes. I live in a pretty small home, so my sunroom tends to also be my entryway as well. You can do so much in these 5 minutes. This video is sped up, but you will see for yourself. I do this rug every other week during the weekly home blessing. I rotate this one between the front door rug, and I gave myself a head start because this Monday will make 2 weeks. Don't underestimate what you can do in just under 5 minutes. Now, wasn't that fun? So now, if you haven't done so already, please get your free printable. It is linked down below. And once you get that printable, you're going to see I deliberately left some blank lines because I didn't want to ruin the fun of the challenge. And also, once you can get further on in the challenge, you can even customize it with the own things that you would like to take on. Now, put room rescue as one in our morning slots, and every day moving forward, our habits still are shining our sinks in the evening and picking out our clothes in the evening, telling ourselves some kind words in the evening, and now we're doing a 2-minute hotspot in the evening. In the morning, we are dressing to shoes, telling ourselves some kind words and others, and now we are adding the room rescue. Be sure to get that free printable. It is linked down below. And feel free to turn on the caption because my voice is not wanting to voice today. Thank you so much for your patience and thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited to see you tomorrow on day 10 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.